office. He is a foreign service officer.
Right.
Johnny,
Hi, Johnny.
Johnny, good morning, Johnny.
Good morning. Good morning. You're so early. Happy birthday, Sabrina.
Oh, thanks, Johnny.
Yeah.
So nice.
Yeah. So thank you for having me.
Right. We wanted to bring you on to kind of get the message out there that the new thing that we're trying to do is to get tested. So, want to reach out to all of our brothers and sisters in the FSM community and make that ask, Johnny. There's they can get tested at the Southern Public Health Center in Inarahan, the northern one in Dedido, and also for the Estumbo area at the Estumbo pilot program, community testing on Saturday. Are you getting that message out there, John?
Not really, Chris. I was just finding out yesterday. So, I'm thinking maybe we should be reaching out to governor's office or, even to the mayor's offices to see if we can get the pamphlet or at least the information, the sheet, so we can, put on our Facebook page, our FSM Association Facebook page.
Right.
And I'm also thinking maybe the Micronesian Resource Center, they might also have it, or if not, I think it will be good to also reach out to that 311 to maybe see if they can just relate directly to us so we can put it out there.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
So what they're looking for, Johnny, is people that have mild symptoms, cold or a cough or shortness of, loss of taste.
Sense of smell.
Right.
Any chronic disease like, diabetes, hypertension.
People that aren't feeling
cancer.
well. Right. They want them to come in and get tested. And again, it could be at any of the public health centers. They've changed their game plan in terms of how they're going to attack COVID-19 and trying to determine how prevalent it is out in the community. So they're asking everybody to please help spread the word, if you can, to the FSM communities.
Not a problem. Not a problem. I think that's one thing that we would love to, give out to our, relay the information out to our citizens. But you're saying this is generally to, like, any chronic disease that any individual may have?
Yeah. So
right. It's anybody. It's not just the FS. It's everybody. But
right. But, and going out there and reaching out to the Sistumbo community, Mayor Savara said that they've enlisted the help of some Chuukese interpreters to kind of go house to house and talk about the testing and what we're trying to do with it. And there's also a flyer. I don't know if they got it translated, but you're right. That's something they need to, something they should have done, quite frankly, a couple days ago. Reach out to you guys, shoot everything to you, have you translate it, and then, let's use this vast network that you guys have.
I think the translation may not be that an issue.
Okay.
But I think it's just trying to get the word out. I think it would be better if sooner, so at least we can get a lot of a good number out there.
Right, Johnny. So we want to give you the floor. We have a lot of FSM followers on our Facebook. A lot of people watching the stream. A lot of people listening out there. So we just want to give you the floor, give a message out to the FSM community about getting tested. Johnny, here you go.
Okay, thank you, Chris. To our FSM citizens, on behalf of our Consul General and our FSM Association, the President, and all the members, I wish to ask that, our citizens here on Guam go out there, see the information out there, and please, if we can all be good citizens and do our part to be tested for this COVID-19. We hope that we will all come out of this sooner than later. So please join the rest of the community to do our part. Thank you.
Can you also say it in your native language?
I wish I can say it in all our languages, but for Pohnpeian, I will say this. Iman Pachawan Wulianti, Samachail, Kousan, the child man Pohnpeikan, Kachkas Tabach Pachanan Wen Guam, Chailan Kachin Sabulman Kian Sumau, katla wasan kosokan mapan sainsal no weekend magating pura boy ki ang sukset sa kansenon sainsal ya utan wasakan mapan tes wiya sainsal no weekend what mapan what the mapan what the thoughts me tes pan wiya ipertuan pekti Williantia Tungalopis o pekti ikarakara pang puran karusian jalan kacin kupur mangai kacilan wasan teskan kecail pan kacin masani pane yat makmail pilkin yang tatong ke Facebook mail kak kacin masani nan sin macail FSM Association page FSM the Facebook o where kapana utani wasak ngayakan mateswat pawiyawi o klok kalanganan kupuran koros
Kasale.
Yeah, good, thank you. I really hope that we'll get all or at least a good number for our citizens to be tested.
We also reached out to Ed from Manette Louis. He's going to come on the show tomorrow morning and also put out a message. We're just trying to mobilize all of our listeners, our audience, our platform. We have new orders. Let's go get tested.
That's really good. Yes.
Thank you, Johnny. Appreciate
Johnny.
it. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
Yeah, you too. And you stay in touch. Shoot us a text, okay, Johnny?
Okay, sure.
All right.
Thanks, Johnny.
Wash your hands. Okay, 718, Guam's favorite. Do you want to go over those numbers? I'm going to get somebody on the phone, maybe just some of the results from last night.
Okay, so Public Health, they ran, I believe it was 34 tests yesterday. 0 tested positive, but they did have one additional case that tested positive, and that was through the U.S. Naval Hospital, Guam. So the total number of confirmed cases of COVID-19 on Guam is 137 with 5 deaths and 119